Good morning, kids. Welcome you all in computer class. Today we are going to learn about Windows accessories. What do you mean by Windows accessories? Windows accessories are small programs that are extremely useful for completing everyday tasks. It can be used for text editing, painting, playing music and recording sounds, etc. Let's know about these accessories in detail. Have you seen this at your home? What is this? This is a calculator. Why do we use calculator? We use calculator to perform arithmetic operations on numbers. Means if you want to do any addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, a calculator will take only few seconds to solve it. Now look at this. This is a calculator program in a computer. There is no need to buy this. This is a pre-built program in a computer. Now, how can we use this? So look at the steps. First of all, click on the Start button. Then, click on All Programs. Now choose Accessories option. Now click on Calculator. The calculator window will appear. This area displays the numbers we enter to do calculation. These are the buttons used for calculation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and is equal to. Now, how to add with a calculator? If we want to add the two numbers, like if we want to add the two numbers 9 and 3, then what should be the steps? First of all, click on number 9 button. Then click on Addition button. Then click on number 3 button. Now click on Equal to button. When you will press on Equal to button, the answer will be displayed in this area. Now you can see 12 has been written. This is the answer. So in the same way, you can subtract, multiply and divide the numbers. Look at this. You all must have seen this at your home. This is a notepad. We use this to make notes, to write something. So can we make notes in the computer? Yes, we can make the notes in the computer by using Notepad. Notepad is a simple text editor or a program that has been included in all versions of Microsoft Windows. It is used to type word, sentence, paragraphs and notes. So how to start Notepad? Click on the Start button. Then click on All Programs. Then choose Accessories option. Then click on Notepad. The Notepad window will appear in front of you. Now we can work on it. We can type the text on a notepad with the help of a keyboard. The text we type will appear where the cursor blinks in Notepad screen. Now you can start typing. You can type anything. For example, my name is this. See, I am typing. Type any text for your document. Now suppose you have typed your text. After finishing the work in Notepad, we should save our text side by side for future use also. Now for saving our text, follow the steps. First of all, click on File menu. Then File menu will appear. Then click on Save. The Save As dialog box will appear. Now choose the location where you want to save your file. Type a name for the file in this area. Now click on Save button. You can use the shortcut key also for saving a document, that is Ctrl+S. You have to press these both keys together. Now after completing and saving our work, we can exit from Notepad. Click on File menu. Then click on Exit. We'll exit from the Notepad. So kids, I hope you will do the practice of the same at your home.